finally, we were able to know the true numbers.
In reality, you're empowering somebody that before didn't have a voice, and so now you're giving someone a voice that is being heard, responded to, and you get little victories out of it.
Here's our 51% productivity increase. Pretty much went from running 24/7 to about 5.5 days a week.
From a Redzone standpoint, it's been a great asset to have for the team, specific to culture building, culture enhancing.
The team has really taken to the Redzone philosophy. We had a productivity uplift of 45% in the first 90 days of implementing Redzone.
So we've seen our profitability increase, we've seen our output increase, we've seen staff be happier and feel more engaged. In the first 90 days, we had an 83% increase in productivity.
I feel like you start seeing people who are realizing that their voices were being heard. We got 48% increase in the first 90 days, and then it's increased since then.
We're seeing about a 35% improvement in OEE.
We've experienced about a 25% increase. It's been tremendous.
Getting people to understand it and learn it and know it has been huge. Up here at the production plant, we've seen a 24% uplift, and down at the harvest plant, we've seen a 35%.
Buddy's Kitchens has achieved a 42% increase in our productivity over the past year.
Over the course of the last year, we've actually realized a 54% productivity improvement, and it's really been a sustainable improvement. And the reason for that is we've solidified it with our culture.